Hello everyone. If you want to know how to withdraw USDT from Bybit to your bank account, you've come to the right video. My name is Nick and today I'll show you how to do it. So it's pretty easy. The easiest way how you can get your USDT is sell your USDT by using P2P trading. So as you can see, by using this way, there is no fees, and I really advise you to use this way. So let's click on it, just hover your mouse over buy crypto and select P2P trading. So how to use it? Here you can buy crypto and sell it. In our case, we will select sell. You can sell USDT or Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDC. Now let's select USDT. Okay, and just below the sell button, you can select the necessary currency. Let's select USD, just type it and click on it. Okay, now let's select the payment method. Just click right here on this field. Let's select Wise, Payer and this bank and click on confirm. So here you'll see the list with a lot of orders from an ordinary people. For example, this guy can offer you to exchange your crypto at this rate, and I advise you to choose executors looking at their number of transactions and percentage of fulfillment. Right here you can see orders and percentage. So let's select it, click on sell USDT, and this window will appear. And here you can read more about this order. Type here how much USDT you want to sell, for example 200. Just enter it here, and here's how much USD you will receive on your bank account. After that you can click on sell, and then this guy have to send you USD on your bank account. After that, the main thing is to check that all the funds have really arrived to your account, and then you can confirm the transaction. And of course, he will receive your crypto currency to his account. And be sure to check that you have received everything before confirming the transaction. And this is how you can easily withdraw your USDT from Bybit to your bank account. Well, I think this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.